Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the TradingView app. First, download the app from your device's app store, whether it's iOS or Android. Once installed, create a free account to unlock essential features and begin your journey. Take a moment to explore the user-friendly interface. You'll quickly find real-time charts, watch lists, and various analytical tools. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth learning experience. Now, let's dive into chart analysis. Select any asset, like a stock or cryptocurrency, to display its real-time price chart. TradingView offers a wide array of technical indicators. Try applying a simple moving average or the relative strength index to understand market momentum. Practice drawing trend lines and identifying key support and resistance levels directly on your charts. These fundamental skills are vital for informed trading decisions. Beyond charts, TradingView provides powerful tools to enhance your trading. Create customized watch lists to keep a close eye on your preferred assets, ensuring you never miss a beat. Set up precise price alerts that notify you when an asset reaches a specific value, helping you seize opportunities. Don't forget to engage with the vibrant TradingView community. Sharing ideas can significantly boost your learning curve. To truly master the app, explore advanced features. Customize your chart layouts and save them as templates for quick access, streamlining your analysis. Utilize the backtesting capabilities to test your trading strategies against historical data, gaining valuable insights without risking capital. This helps refine your approach. Also, for more great deals and to bring your space to life with smart tech, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other offers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.